There's this diagram that my tutor used to draw. It begins with a singular point, and when you look at that design problem, you analyze it by splitting it into multiple points. So the analysis goes very big. So the key thing with a designer, your job as a designer, is to synthesize this multiple problem into a singular solution. That's when you know your design has done its job. Actually, I remember my father used to make toys for schools, and in those days, those toys are like 1 + 1 = 2, it makes a noise. So at home he has this workshop, he makes all these things. So I always hang around in the workshop looking at him making things. He can fix anything. So I always wanted to make things. So when I grew up, buildings are the biggest stuff around. So that's where I thought, hey, that's what I want to do. Yeah, so I stumbled into architecture that way, I guess. Got into UTM in Johor, and then the course is 6 years, and then yeah, it went from there. When you look at the Malay houses, yeah, the original Malay houses, our vernacular building, you will question, why are they all on stilts, and why are they in timber, right? And why are the roof in a certain pitch, and why is the roof material in thatch? These are all due to very local situation. They find the materials nearby, so therefore the materials. You find that they are in thatch because it gives you very good insulation. They are in a certain angle because it throws off the rainwater fast enough. And you also notice that it influenced our culture, our Nusantara culture in a way. When you walk on timber, suddenly you are more polite because it's very noisy if you stamp your feet. So you walk lightly, and then the doors are smaller, so you go down. So these are cultural influences as well. It tells you how architecture should be, or how design should be. It tells you a lot of things that you see. If you learn about it, there's a reason behind it. As designers, you may like a certain look or a certain form that you want, right? But is it appropriate to the situation you're in, meaning your costings, meaning your workforce, meaning your client's requirement, meaning your climate, meaning your culture? It's multi-layer. For us, we were hoping to contribute a little in the built environment, because there's a famous saying, I think it was Churchill, you shape your environment and your environment shapes you. The house you build shapes your character, and your character shapes the house. Very important. The built environment is not something for your eyes, it's actually shapes behaviors, and it shapes a lot of things.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this episode of Passion Portraits. I personally like that how simple design is for him. It's just so easy to understand. It's not something to be complicated, and just his heart and his passion behind it. If you like what we do, if you like hearing more stories like this, subscribe to us, like our Facebook page. We want to bring you more stories, and if you have someone, especially Malaysian story, just hit us on email. I look forward to hear from you guys. Have a good day.